Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the Realme X2 Pro. Is it worth of buying in this 2021 or not? So a lot of viewers they did ask me this kind of question that the Realme X1 Pro is going to launch very soon in India, and even they're considering to buy the Realme X2 Pro if the prices decrease for this phone. But they are really worried: is it worth of spending on the Realme X2 Pro 1 year old model or the Realme X1 Pro? So in this video, I'll be just talking about the Realme X2 Pro, friends. So let's see is it worth or not. I'll try to talk about various aspects, and I did use the Realme X2 Pro for more than 1 year of usage, and during this time I uploaded so many videos. I think more than 250 videos are uploaded only on the Realme X2 Pro smartphone. So this is a very old phone which I'm having right now. So as you can see, the playlist which I have created for each and every smartphone. So let me check the playlist for the Realme X2 Pro. So I will know how many videos are uploaded on this phone. So here is the Realme X2 Pro playlist. So 255 videos which I uploaded, friends, on this phone. So I did use the phone very long time and very intense. So that's why I was able to give this kind of reviews on this Realme X2 Pro. Is it worth to buy or not? So first thing, let me talk about the processor. The phone is a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, and the latest Snapdragon processor is a 888, so which did not get launched. So 865 we can consider as the latest processor. So 865 we are getting around, I think, 32,000 Vivo IQ 003. So if there is any offers going on, so even for the Realme X2 Pro Snapdragon 855 Plus, it's kind of okay, I would say, definitely, because if you use this processor for the next you can easily use for the next 3 to 4 years. So there is not much difference 855 plus and 865. So in terms of the Antutu benchmark also, I did get score around 4 lakhs 90 9,000. It's close to 5 lakhs. So in 865 the Antutu benchmark score was 5 lakhs 60,000. So there is only few difference between both the processors. But during this time I did use so many applications in my phone, as you can see here currently right now. I'm using more than 200 plus applications in my device, and there is no lag at all, no problem in terms of the performance and processor in this device, friends. So that is one thing I can confidently say that about this phone. The processor is kind of old, but still it's worth even in the 2020 to buy this phone. So if you compare with the Dimensity 1000 plus, there is not much difference as well. 1000 plus has 5 lakhs 25,000 Antutu benchmark score and 5 lakhs year. So there is not much difference as well between both the phones. So next thing is a display. The phone has the 90 Hz refresh rate and the Super AMOLED panel. That's one of the good advantage, friends, 90 Hz and Super AMOLED panel. So whereas other phones we are seeing around 120 Hz, so that is kind of trend here going on. So in case if you are that kind of gamer and if you want high refresh rate, you can definitely wait for this phone. Otherwise you can just buy this phone, friends. In terms of the display, no issues, zero problem. The display is very amazing. So there's full brightness. So this huge lot of brightness is going on, friends, in this Realme X2 Pro. So there is a lot of brightness here, and which is really comfortable to watch the videos outdoor and indoor without any issues. So even the bezels are quite thick, but that's okay for me, that there's no issues. But overall the display quality is really good. So 90 Hz and Super AMOLED, that's good for the 2021 to buy, no issues at all. So next, let's talk about the battery and the fast charging. The phone has the 4000 mAh of battery and 50 watt fast charging. So the 4000 mAh of battery can be slightly disappointment for you all. So we are getting the phones for up to 5000, 6000, 7000 and 4500. But seeing the 4000, maybe this is an area which I think of buying the Realme X2 Pro device. The battery is one of the factor which is pulling away of buying the Realme X2 Pro. So but don't worry, friends, the fast charging is really helpful. It can charge within 30 minutes. Even after so many long months of using this device and multiple charge and discharge, still it can easily charge within 30 minutes of time. That's a really good advantage in this Realme X2 Pro device. And so well, friends, in terms of the battery, I would not recommend to buy in the 2021, but in fast charging, it's good, no issues at all. So next, let's talk about the camera. So in terms of the camera as well, a lot of users nowadays we are seeing with the phones like a quad camera setup. So that is present in the Realme X2 Pro. As you can see, quad camera setup is present, and the phone can record 4K 60 FPS as well. That's another good advantage, 4K 60 FPS, and it has got a lot of advantages like taking the camera pics at a 64 megapixel lens as well. As you can see, 64 megapixel lens, that's a shot of taking that 64 lens. So nowadays we are seeing with the 108 megapixel lens, but 64 megapixel lens is also quite good. And even I did like the images which are out of this phone in terms of the front camera or back camera. Everything is works fine in this phone, so no issues in terms of the camera as well. So that doesn't matter 64 megapixel or the normal megapixel, so which is really good. So far in terms of the camera as well, I'm very positive about this phone. So same thing you can expect even in the 2021 as well, in this kind of same region. So same camera can be found in the so many other 2021 phones as well. So not much a big thing for me, friends, in terms of the camera as well in 2021. And in terms of the camera, I can give up to 3 out of 5. I can give 3 stars. So that is a little bit drawback here. So the sensor is kind of old sensor, the camera sensor. Maybe that might be a concern for a few of the users. So the things are like battery and the camera. So these are the things which are lacking behind in this camera, in this phone, friends. But overall the build quality, let's talk about that. So dual stereo speaker setup, that's perfect combination. So no issues in terms of the speakers, and perfect haptic feedback. It's really good haptic feedback, friends. Try to listen to the voice. As you can see, friends, it doesn't look cheap. It looks like the premium haptic feedback when you compare with the OnePlus devices. Even this phone feels the kind of premium. So in terms of the build quality, really good, and really maintained as well. Even the weight is also not too high as well in this phone. So the build quality is also good. The display is good. Battery backup is not okay. Camera is also not that great. So processor is also good. So overall, friends, in case if the phone prices decreases, so then definitely you can think of buying this device. But you need to think between these two options. Camera and the battery backup are the two reasons why I would not recommend this phone, but rest of the reasons are really good. So another one thing is that I forgot to show you regarding the display sample. So let me try to quickly open one of the sample, so you know exactly the display how it looks. So here's a display, friends, as you can see here. So which looks amazing while watching this kind of videos. So really good, friends, in terms of the watching. So which is stunning display. So even till now, after 1 year, the processor and the display always the best in this Realme X2 Pro device. And for more this kind of videos, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly, friends. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.